Hello. Yes, yesterday I got some calls from your friend. So I had a lot of questions. One of the question they asked, say, when are we going to complete with this lesson? Yes. So I told them that really, they should not bother. As days goes on, we'll accomplish our objective. You know, a woman that is pregnant, no matter how she knows that pregnancy would last for 9 months, but at the level of 7 months, she is saying that let me put to bed and rest. Because she's feeling a bit of pain. Yes, nothing good comes easy. I know that you walk, you had a bit of error. They say, no, I will not walk again. No. In a battlefield, the real soldier does not surrender. You get me? A real soldier does not surrender. There is nothing that someone cannot learn. If you have decided to learn this, you will learn it. So don't bother about what is happening. Yes, without wasting your time. Last time, we worked about data type. And someone tell us about data type. How many data type do you know? So last time I discussed about data type. I spoke on you have string, you have dictionary, we have boolean, we have tuple, we have set. Yes, then I go ahead now and work now on set, I work on boolean, I work on list. But now there are some other important ones that I haven't do it. So I look it deemed necessary that those important ones are very good in engineers and technicians. If you intended to carry out an estimate for construction building, an estimate for you to realize a vehicle, an estimate for you to realize an electrical field, an estimate, what are you going to do? There are some, on this part that we are going to work, there's a certain little bit of tricks that you will learn from there that if you apply it just small, you are going to know how to draw a program, make a program to calculate estimate with the 2 minutes. You know that we always do our estimates manual, right? But now you can ask computer for it to do your estimate for you. Are we there? So there are a lot of things. So when we work, when we arrive at that point, I will tell you that this is what you can ask the machine to do it. It's going to do it for you, okay? Since I'm in the field, I've been in the field for long, so you should not bother about those aspects. Yes. So without wasting the time, I've already explained about that. So we are going to move on tuple. Tuple. Yes. So what is tuple? Yes, tuple are mixed order of data collection that are immutable. It cannot be changed. As you feed it, it cannot be changed. Okay? They are immutable. Yes, so our objective of today, we are going to work on creating tuple and assessing element. We also have to move on tuple operation. Then from there, I'm going to do some various exercises. Okay? Yes, so let us move to the lab. Thank you. Come out. Expand. Yeah, as I said, today we are going to work on tuple. Yes. So tuple. Okay, now on tuple, the first objective that we have to create tuple. Okay, we have created our tuple. We have to create tuple. So we say my tuple is equals to my tuple is equals to, let's say 1 2 3, 1 2 3, hello, say hello. So as I said, tuple a combination of various elements, right? We have 6. Okay, this is our tuple. We have created the tuple. Okay, now let us access our tuple. Yes, access our tuple. Accessing our tuple. Okay, yes, searching the tuple now. Let's say print my tuple. Put my tuple of 0. And with there, we wanted to access 0. Our tuple of 0 give us 1. I say print my of 2. Print my tuple of 2. Give me 3. Okay, I say print my tuple of 4, right? Give me 6. Tuple of 4 give me 6. I said print my tuple of 3. Print my tuple of 3. Guess what? What is it going to have? I'm going to have hello, right? Hello. I printed hello. If I ask again, print my tuple of -1. Print my tuple, right? Tuple of -1, right? Equals to 6. That is the last element. So if I wanted to print now hello back, I would ask it to print my tuple of -2. Okay, now what now if I ask it to print now my tuple of what? Semicolon 1. What am I asking to do? Semicolon 1 to print the whole element. We have 1. Semicolon 1, yes, printed 1. So if you ask semicolon 2 semicolon, you print the whole element. So now, as in print my tuple of semicolon 2 semicolon 1. That is, I wanted to print the whole element. Over there, 2 semicolon 1. And to print the whole element. I mean all the elements print. So when you have this semicolon, dash 1, 2 semicolon 1, you print the whole element. And if I ask him my tuple, as print my tuple is that's semicolon -1, right? -1. So this one now will be what? Will be the reverse. Are we there? Yes, it's the reverse. We ask him to reverse it. Okay. Yes, thank you. Congratulations. At least you have done something. Now let us move on tuple operation. Tuple operation. Right there. Now on tuple operation, what do we have? As a tuple operation support the various operations such as what? Concatenation and repetition. Concatenation is to combine 2 elements together. It can be 2, it can be 3, more than 1 element together. It can be you join them together. And with that's what we mean by concatenation. You know, my English teacher was not there, but at least I can calm that particular one that he taught us before he's not there again. Okay, now we wanted to concatenate now tuple operation. So we have tuple 1 tuple 1 is equal to, yes, tuple 1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to list them, tuple 1, tuple 2. Then now we join them together, okay? Yes. Tuple 1 equals to that. Tuple 2. Tuple 2. So you have to make sure that they don't space the 2. You space the 2, you have error, okay? Tuple 2. Since this is a string, you have to make sure you put this thing there. A, comma, this attribute B, comma, C, okay, this one C, okay, tuple 2, A, B, C, yeah, okay, as now, concatenate tuple, right, concatenate tuple is equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2, tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Yes. Then as in a print concatenation tuple concatenate print concatenate tuple okay, has to print concatenate tuple. See now, he happened to do what? He happened to combine all of them. Concatenate means that combine them together. So I say tuple 1 equals to this tuple. So I say print concatenate tuple. Yes. So then we move from there. We have to move on now. But before we move on, let me work on a recap. Yes. In the next lesson, we are going to continue on tuple unpacking. So now to recap on what we have done today, I said what? We started with tuple, creating tuple. Now we create tuple. We have my tuple equals to 1, 2, 3, hello, and 6. This is my tuple. I said that tuple can combine string, right? You have various tuple has various data inside the same. So it does not mean that it must be letter or string. No, tuple has combination of. Now we have what? Tuple 1, 2, and hello. We have now the second part is that I asked him to print what? Print my tuple of 0. Print my tuple of 0. This is the tuple of 0. He print it is 1. So I asked him to print my tuple of 2. The tuple of 2. If you have here 0, this 1, this 2. I mean, you need to print now 3. He print this 3. So I asked him to print my tuple of 4. My tuple of 4 now is 6. Yeah, it is 6 because why? We have 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuple of 4 is 6. Yes. I asked him to print my tuple of semicolon 1. Obviously, semicolon 1. Obviously, I'm asking now to print is it 1. Asking now to print my tuple because semicolon 1 means that you start from 1. Now you end at 1. So asking now to print now my tuple of what? Double semicolon. When you give double semicolon, obviously it means that you want it to print everything. Are we there? Everything. So he printed everything. Then I asked him to print my tuple of double semicolon minus. So asking now to do the reverse. So he did not the reverse. Okay. Then we move on now. I asked him now to print the operation. We move on to tuple operation. Under tuple operation, we define tuple 1, we define tuple 2. So tuple 1 now, this is the letters, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. and the tuple 2 are various letters. Make sure you place that inverted comma there. Okay, now at this point we have A, B, C. Okay, now I ask him now to concatenate now the tuple. Now to join them together. Concatenate means that to bring them together. Add me this tuple. Concatenate, add me this tuple. Okay, so he said, okay, he has said what I'm saying. So he add now, I asked him tuple 1 plus tuple 2. So he add now the tuple 1 plus the tuple 2. So the tuple 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Plus with this other one, A, B, C. Yes, so that is what he did. Yes, that's great. Congratulations, you have done well today. Yeah. So don't be afraid. The first thing is that don't be afraid of error. That's the first issue that I need to make you to understand. Don't be afraid of error. If there's any error, check where there is error. You read it, they are going to highlight it, tell you that this is where there is error. Okay? Thank you. Yes. I wish you the best. Let us move on to the next lesson. Bye bye.